It's Jerry at M7 Speed. Today I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to install our new N18 turbo heat shield. This is new design, new way it mounts. It's bigger, it's lighter. It comes with an insulation blanket attached to the back side. Powder coated, beautiful M7 logo. Super easy to install. This is a Countryman with an N18, but it's the same for any other N18 equipped Mini. Basically, you take your heat shield, you get 2 spacers and 2 bolts. They're identical in length. They have a machined flat on them. The flat goes towards the engine and it attaches to these 2 machined tabs on the cylinder head here. So basically you just take your heat shield, install a bolt through the hole, place your spacer with the groove pointing down on that one. Same thing over here. Machine flat pointing down. Hold it like this with your hand. Bring it over to the top of the 2 mounting points. On a Countryman, you got to kind of feed it down in here. And basically just get these 2 bolts started in these tabs. You'll need a 5mm Allen wrench and just start the threads into the tapped hole. Make sure you don't cross thread. Same thing over here on this side. Get that one started and just tighten it up. There's one tight. There's the second one tight. It's installed. Clearance for your O2 sensor. It's super rigid, won't vibrate, won't hit the hood. Done deal. Looks beautiful. Here's your new M7 N18 turbo heat shield.
That's a wrap.